On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? I'm going to mount a $69 poly rear rack on my WR250R, and I found a $5 toolbox that you can mount on it too. Check it out. So I got this rear WR rack because there's no place to put anything. You can't even put a tank bag on this thing. Remove the 4 bolts of the subframe. Taillight assembly, which I don't have. Yeah, someone already put this, which is good. I'm just going to take this off and drill the holes up through and bolt it on, and then these are going to the same screws, so might have to move those. Yeah, so 1/2 inch. Size matters, Chris. Let's see what size these are. That'll work for the pilot. Oh, I see what they did. They spaced it out. Something broken there. Maybe that's why the blinker didn't work. One side of the blinker wasn't working. I don't like them in there anyway. It's going to be these two and those two. Look like they line up.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's right. 1/2 incher. There. Now which ones go where? The short ones go toward the back. Actually the long ones have to go in the front. You can see it's lower. Look down in there in that hole. These go here. Oh, that's not bad. These are all the same. Yeah. We use stainless steel hardware with lock nuts. Oh, long enough to put my light bracket back too. See it?
Yeah.
Straight. Looks like it. Looks pretty good. Pretty good, huh? Looks good. That was easy. Easiest rack I ever installed.
Don't I have a nice rack?
Don't look too bad. Looks good. So if anybody could tell me what went here, I'd like to know. It looks like it had some kind of a strap. Thought maybe some kind of a toolbox. I got this cheap China toolkit box. So I'm just going to bend that down. Put a hole in there, put a hole in there, and bolt that on there. I could put a burrito tube, but they're so big and bulky, I think it might be too big for this bike because it's so narrow. So I'll just do that. I even tried looking up like a brand new WR to get a picture of that side, and I still didn't find anything. Alright, perfect. Just like that.
Let's go there.
Oh, they do have a toolkit. It's kind of too late now. On there. Bam!
Peanut butter and jam!
Bam! Got a little drain hole if the water gets in it. That'll work. Tools not included. Not bad for $5.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.